So now we are going to do another exercise. Completez avec, meilleur, aussi, moins bon. So if you remember, for the word bon, the superlative is meilleur. So we don't say plus bon. For the word bon, it is meilleur. So we are going to fill in these blanks using one of these three words, either meilleur, aussi or moins bon. So first, they have given us some restaurant du parc. So they have given us the star here to indicate its degree of comparison. Restaurant du parc, it has 1 star. Restaurant des artistes, it has 2 stars. Restaurant du festival, it has no stars. And restaurant du musée has 1 star. So now we are going to fill in these blanks. Le restaurant du parc est un bon restaurant. So this is the first sentence they have given us. So the restaurant du parc, it has 1 star. They are saying it is un bon restaurant. Now the next sentence, le restaurant du festival est. Now the restaurant du festival, how many stars does it have? It has no stars. So when we compare this with the le restaurant du parc, it is moins bon. Yes, because it has lesser number of stars. Moins bon. Now the next sentence, le restaurant du musée. Le restaurant du musée est. Now if you look at the le restaurant du musée, how many stars does it have? It has 1 star. So when we compare it with le restaurant du parc, they are equal. So we use the word aussi. Aussi bon. Finally, the last sentence, le restaurant des artistes est. Now, if we compare les restaurants des artistes, it has 2 stars. And so, when we compare it with the first one, le restaurant du parc, it is better. So, when we want to say it is better, we use the word meilleur. So, now you know how to use the word bon in all the degrees of comparison.